Earnings revisions for small caps have been better than I think many people anticipated. And the surprise will actually be that things are a little bit better in the latter half of the year and earnings are stronger in the second half of the year, especially within some of the economically sensitive and cyclical small cap businesses. Clearly, the environment we live in is very pessimistic around earnings. It's very nervous about the economic environment we live in, but we're hearing from a day-to-day perspective from many of these businesses that their underlying prospects are quite good. Part of the pessimism around the market in general this year is given the fact that the market has done quite well on a year-to-date basis. Large caps have done better than small caps. And people are nervous about the fact that here we are 11 years after our last recession. When is the next recession going to be coming? And when you look at the world from a bottoms-up perspective and not a top-down perspective, what you find is the underlying, I think, structural economy is actually better than people give it credit for. I think one of the more important things to think about when it comes to earnings is that we are in a moderate growth, low inflationary environment, which is actually a very positive backdrop for equities. From a valuations perspective, the market has, I think uniquely this year, gone from overvaluing certain areas of the market that are considered to be more defensive in nature, while creating great valuation opportunities in those areas of the market that are more cyclical in general. And so we find ourselves at a moment in time where the cyclical businesses, those industrial businesses, et cetera, are actually cheaper than where they were at the market low during the Great Recession, which makes no sense given where we are from an economic perspective today and from an opportunity perspective for many of these businesses. So the valuation discrepancy we're finding is the defensive area of the market is quite expensive, and the more cyclical areas of the market are actually quite cheap.